how to remove your Google account from other device. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can remove your Google account from other devices. So in order to remove your Google account from other devices, there are different ways. The first thing is, if you don't know how to carry on with this procedure, the simple step is you can simply change your password, and accordingly you'll be logged out of all of the devices that your account was currently logged in. However, much more easier procedure is this. You have to go ahead and open up your settings application, or you can just go to your Google, and then from your go to accounts, or you can go to Google as well, whichever is convenient for you. Here you'll be provided with a list of accounts. Now accordingly you need to select the account which one you actually need to remove from other devices, and click on manage your account. While you're on this page, you need to go to the security, and over here scroll down to the bottom and you can see your devices. Just go ahead and tap on it, and here you'll be able to find the devices that your account is actually logged in. In my case, I happen to have my account in 2 different devices. If you want to log out from one particular device, tap on it and click on sign out in the top left hand side corner. As soon as you do that, it's going to ask you to confirm it, and accordingly your account will be removed from the following device. So that's basically how you can remove your Google account from other devices. That is all for this video. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.